Hello everyone, it's Jennifer. Thank you for stopping by Scrapbooks and Memories. It's Wednesday. It is the second week of the Gratitude Collab, hosted by Creating with Jovi and Cindy A. Lewis. Thank you ladies so much for inviting me to this collaboration. I'm quite grateful. I'm having a lot of fun seeing what everyone is creating for this collab. Be sure to check out the description box below and you could see who was all participating, and then go to their channels and you can see their videos. I did add a couple things to the cover here from last week. I added this little thankful wood piece that has glitter, and then this cute little puff dimensional sticker. And so this week's prompt was what are we looking forward to in November? So I took the last 2 pages of the front of this accordion. It's coming out so cute. So here are the last 2 pages. We'll start on this side. I did decorate with this pieced it together, and then on top I went ahead and added this page and then this cute little squirrel sticker, or it could be a little chipmunk. And then I did a little triangle pocket here. I made a tag, added some books, some stickers, and I put learn something new. I'm looking forward to learning new things. I have an insatiable appetite to learn about many different topics. I'm always learning about something. Curious by nature. So craft techniques, I'm probably going to learn a few different ones this month. I'm getting into nutrition and like processed foods and health. Like, I know processed foods are bad for us, but what exactly in there, how does it exactly metabolize in your body, and after it does that, how does it affect your body? I'm really learning a lot. So I'm going to continue learning about that. Also, I'm looking forward to helping my younger girls out with their 4-H community project. We are in a homeschool group that was invited to make ornaments for the town's Christmas tree, like community trees they let different schools come and decorate. Well, since we're a homeschool community, they invited our 4-H group. So our 4-H group is helping our homeschool group to make ornaments out of tin cans that 4-H and then our homeschool group together will go and put on our little community tree with the other schools that do their trees. And like Lawrence Park, our little community park we have, it's going to be so cute. So I'm looking forward to helping them do that. And then I'm planning Thanksgiving dinner. I'm looking forward to having my family over. And also I was looking forward to sending out random acts of kindness this month, which I already done. I have pecan pie here because I'm looking forward to baking my pecan pie bars. And then I just added a little index card to the back so I could write a few notes on there later if I wanted. And then I have a list. And I just went ahead and put a few ideas of some things I wanted to do. Of course, I'm going to have turkey. I'm going to do green bean casserole. My mother-in-law does a really good rice dressing. I have to have mac and cheese for my little kids. Alexis this year, she wants to do a Santa Fe salad bar. That sounds fun. So I was like, yeah, go ahead, do that. And then I'm going to make my pecan pie bars. I'm going to go buy a lemon meringue pie because I am not good at that. And then I'm going to bake my homemade dinner rolls that everyone loves. And right here, I just wanted a pop of color. It's a little pocket out of the same paper. So I just took, I could always write on the back of this a little note or something. And stick that in the back. And it's so cute. So that is what I'm looking forward to this month. This is the spread I've done. That's the end of it. The next 2 prompts, give you a little preview, we'll be working through the rest of the accordion journal. So I'm super excited. I think this is coming out so cute. Thank you to everyone who watched last week's video and commented and really enjoyed how this is all coming together. This is the first time I made an accordion journal, and it's the first time I like paper pieced the pages together without watching like a tutorial. I just kind of like winged it. So I'm really thrilled how this is coming out, and I'm thankful that everyone else is enjoying it too. I might be adding a little dangles. I found last year I did a swap. It was like the cornucopia swap, or I forgot exactly what it was. Me and Penny hosted it together last year. And I found my little charms I had from that swap. So I might be doing like a little paperclip charm dangle thing for it, just to get it cutesy. But be sure to check the description box below, you guys. There's other collaborators. Check out what they're doing. Check out Jovi and Cindy's Facebook groups. They're both doing separate giveaways. So be sure to check that out for all the rules and how to join that. And I'll see you next Wednesday with another gratitude prompt. And I'll see you Saturday with my Povember ATCs. Until then, bye.